Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I'm going to talk about sound. The sound is the third palette. First, let's see what this block does. First of all, let's take one palette, then play sound meow until done. As you can see, right one said meow. With this play sound until done, let's just take an example. Start sound and play sound until done. Oh, wait a second. Pause something. See, I put first start sound meow and then play sound until done. So they both said meow at the same time. Play sound until done makes the sound until done and then plays the other sound. Stop all sounds. Wait a second. Let me just take another sprite for an example. And then let's say when flag collect, wait for 1 second and stop all sounds. Like for 1 second, the meow was going on and then AB stopped all the sounds. So that is what it does, stop all sounds. Change picture effect by 10. Let's just yeah. Wait a second. Let us put change pitch effect by 10 first. So we see the pitch changed it a little bit like that. That means it will directly set it to 100. No changing it. So like that is. If we say 0, I think it will make the sound. Yeah. If we want, we can clear the sound effects. Wait a second. Let me put change effect by 20. Let's put now and then see if let's clear sound effects and do like. Right. Let's just not close. So you see it is like, wait a second, there's a drop down. Let's see what is pan left / right. I don't know what is that effect. Which we understand. Let me just change it a little bit more for you because I literally couldn't see any difference. Yeah, now I can see some difference in the sound. Now volume. Wait a second. Let me just put like this. Then. Oh yeah, I forgot. Here we go. Let's put minus let's put this volume also. Volume 20, it will directly set just like set picture effect of 200. So let's make it 20 and then let's make it 100. Sorry, not 100, minus 100. So it is kind of louder. Oh, it's telling the volumes, the sounds, this one. number right now. 100. It is 100, no? 100. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and bye bye.